Let me be real with you. If you are trying to rebuild your life in the same environment that broke you, you're not healing. You're just rebranding the pain. And that's real. Okay. I can tell you for a fact, 100%, I have firsthand information because I've been there, done that. When I tried to build my business, while I was still healing from corporate trauma, from traumatic experiences, from the past of my pain, from toxic environments, from hostile work environments, from burnout. When I tried to build my business from that place, from that space, what I can tell you for sure is that it took nothing, and I do mean absolutely nothing, to trigger those unprocessed emotions that I hadn't yet addressed. And as a result, those crept into my business. It crept into my leadership abilities. It crept into my content. It crept into my pricing. It crept into my level of confidence. It crept into every part and piece of my business that continued to make my business broken just as much as I was broken inside. So it really is true. And I have a whole video actually where I talk about how you leave the trauma, right? The traumatic experience, and that trauma still lingers. It follows you. It comes with you. So you can try to escape it. You may have left that, that job or what have you, or whatever the toxic environment was, or maybe you didn't. And if you haven't, this video is especially for you, because if you're still within that environment, or if you're still broken inside and you haven't yet done the healing work, then I can promise you that trauma that you experience is going to follow. The residual effects is going to show up again and again and again and again and again until you deal with it. So you can't escape it. Okay. When that happened to me, that was really the moment I realized that, you know what? It just hit me like light bulb moment. I cannot heal in the environment that hurt me. I cannot heal in the same place that harmed me. You feel what I'm saying? And so that realization really shifted everything for me. And I finally realized that I had to release that pain. And the only way to really release it is to address where it's stemming from, like where it's rotten. You got to peel back the layers and go deep. Like there really and truly is no other way. You have to release the pain of those past experiences that broke you, that hurt you, that harmed you, that made you bitter, sour, right? And when I decided to do that for myself, I had to do the real internal work. And that was hard because that was a lot of mirror work. That was a lot of journaling. That was a lot of reliving the experiences. And you have to get in that place, in that head space, in that heart space, in order to really deal with the depth of the truth. You feel me? You have to. There is no other way. And unless and until you do that, I don't care what new thing you're going after, what you're pursuing next, whether it's a new career or a new business venture or some pursuit of maybe a portfolio career, a bridge job, what have you, whatever it is, a side hustle, a side gig, whatever. Unless and until you do the real work, you're not going to begin to reflect your healed self. That was true for me, and that will be true for you. Now I am operating from a place of being healed and feeling whole and happy again, but I wasn't in the beginning. Okay. So when you do the work, the hard healing work, right, that internal work, you will then expedite your external success. Why? Because You can operate your business or whatever it is you're pursuing, and that business or pursuit of whatever it is you're doing, right? That new thing, that new venture, it will reflect your wholeness, not your wounds. And that's what you want. Okay. Now, before we get any deeper, if you're getting what I'm giving and you love these gems I'm dropping, go ahead and leave a comment below so we can get this discussion popping. I want to know if you are following me, if you're feeling me, if you are, I'm feeling your pain. Am I pouring salt on the wound? Am I like pushing on the wound? How painful is it? Where are you in the journey? Let me know what's pulling on those heartstrings and what's resonating with you right now. Also, if you are enjoying my content and this video is giving you value and you are feeling my vibe and want to be a part of my tribe, definitely go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, okay? So you never miss a single episode whenever I drop new content and or go live. Now, here's what I need you to know. I want you to know what happens when you don't heal, okay? That's first. And so these are some of the things. This is not like an all-inclusive list, but you might be experiencing this. And I'm particularly talking to you as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as a businesswoman, okay, as a leader. You will undercharge, you will over-deliver, you will tolerate disrespecting your business, you will attract the wrong clients, okay? You will operate from survival mode instead of strategy, and you definitely will operate from your wounds as opposed to your whole self, okay? And that's not a good thing. So how do you make the shift? Few ways, okay? First, you have to acknowledge the source of the wound. Is it from your ex? Is it from your past job? Is it from a business that didn't work before? Maybe you built the wrong type of business on the wrong business model and you did work with the wrong clients. You had the wrong offers. You had the wrong everything. Or maybe you didn't, the business was broken from the beginning and it was always set up to fail, not necessarily to succeed. Was it a past relationship, or was it some other trauma or burnout? What was it for you? Acknowledge it, accept it as the truth, and let's start to address the emotions that come up for you now that we know what it is, okay? Then the second thing is I want you to remove yourself from the toxic environment. If you're in a relationship that is toxic, if you are in a household with other loved ones that's dysfunctional and toxic or hostile, if you are in a work environment that's hostile, wherever you are, that's a toxic, dysfunctional place, you got to go. You got to get rid of that person or that thing. And if you can't get rid of it or them, you got to be the one to make the decision to leave. Okay. Physically, emotionally, digitally, spiritually, socially, sexually, detach yourself from that thing. Disconnect, pull the plug. Okay. It's got to go. Or they, it, he, she has to go. Okay. The third thing is you want to prioritize your rest. You want to prioritize your peace. You want to prioritize your rest, your recovery, and your recalibration, because you're going to need to do all three in the healing process. Okay. I have a whole video where I talk about what the healing phases are when you leave those traumatic experiences in those toxic environments. And so, you can do a search here and find that content, or I can maybe leave it to pop up at the end of this video so you can watch it next. But just know that these are the three priority phases that you will need to follow in your healing process, okay, in your healing journey. The fourth thing is I want you to redesign your business around your new self, around the new you, the 2.0 version of you, okay? I want you to focus on alignment over achievement, because, as high achievers, overachievers, type A personalities, ambitious women, I get it. We are always striving. We are always striving to be excellent, to be more, but we exhaust ourselves by doing that. And so I want you to know that right now in this phase, stage, and age of your life, you need to focus on alignment, not the achievement, because this whole idea of achieving the next thing and the next thing and the next thing and the bigger thing and the best thing and the more life that you're wanting, it just creates havoc in our life. It creates chaos and confusion in our mind and our brain and our heart space. It's just, it burns us out. It really does exhaust us. And that's not really where we want to be. What we really crave, and whether you know it or not, is alignment. Okay. And not necessarily the things that we are looking to accomplish and achieve. We've already proven that. We've proven that in our, academic years. We've proven that in our corporate careers. We've proven that personally and professionally, right? In different aspects of our lives, but we still feel like something's missing. We still feel broken. We still feel shattered. So I'm here to tell you that's why. It's because you're misaligned. So focus on the alignment over the achievement and you'll do fine. Then I want you to, number 5, create boundaries, okay? Boundaries that protect your peace and your purpose and helps you to reclaim your power. We have to set boundaries. We have to be energetically aligned, and we have to say more no's than yeses for our own peace. Okay, we can't be worried about how other people feel and what they might think and how they're going to judge us. We have to sometimes be selfish. We have to think of ourselves first and our own needs and meet those needs and exceed our own expectations and blow our own minds. Okay, we can't do that if we're putting other people first and we're appeasing to others and we're people pleasing. Excuse me. No, we have to put ourselves first in this season if you want to really win. Okay. The 6th thing is I want you to get the support that honors your healing and your growth and your evolvement for the woman you are becoming, because it really is true that you haven't necessarily arrived yet, but you are working always toward the woman you are becoming. Okay. So I want to ask you this question. Better yet, I'm going to pose it this way. If you are ready to stop repeating the maddening cycle and finally build from a place of alignment, since we're talking about alignment, then and not from anxiety, which is what you're probably feeling now if your nervous system is under attack. Okay. Let's get that regulated. Let's build from a place of alignment and wholeness, and from a place of peace and power and purpose, and not anxiety, not stress, not burnout, not exhaustion. Okay. If that is where you are right now, then let's talk. First thing is book a clarity call with me, a freedom and focus clarity call. Okay. And we can talk about ways in which I can support you. Right now, as of this recording, I am offering a group coaching program, a private premium 30-day intensive where I'm working closely with you. We can talk about what that entails and if you're the right fit for that particular program. If not, there are other ways I can work with you through other intensives, or, I can even do a VIP day with you, a virtual VIP day, which as of this recording, I am offering that. So we can talk about what that looks like. But there are many ways I can support you and meet you where you are in the journey. But I need you to make the decision. You have to be the one to define what your new life will look like so that you can design the life you dream of and live the life you love. And that can only happen when you make the decision. And I say decision over making the choice, because you can make the choice of yes today and no tomorrow, depending on your mood and your feeling. Okay. We're not doing that. We need to make a solid decision and take fast action, because that's what legacy leaders do. They're resourceful, they're fast action takers, solid decision makers, and they figure out what they want and they go for it and they don't stop until they get it. Okay. Now, inside of my programs, no matter what we decide is the best fit for you, what I can tell you for sure is it's not just about building brands and businesses over here. Okay. We built lives that feel like freedom, and freedom, options equal freedom. And that's why I'm giving you options so you can decide which option is best for you. You are going to walk away with clarity. You're going to walk away with a business strategy, with a profit plan. You're certainly going to know how to prioritize your peace, your healing, your happiness, and your wholeness. And you are going to learn how to heal and rise above whatever your current predicament and circumstances are. Okay? Turn your misfortunes into your fortunes. Okay? I don't care where you are, even if you are rebuilding from ground zero, you can change the trajectory of your entire life and that of your bloodline if you decide. And it just takes that one decision. You are one decision away from living, turning your dream into your reality. And that is the honest to God's truth. Okay. So what I want you to know is that when you build from a healed and whole place, everything changes. Everything. Because, you made the decision that you needed to make and didn't even realize that everything else follows. Okay. Your energy shifts, you make more income, bigger profits, you're able to enjoy the pleasures of life, you're operating from a peaceful place, right? You want to do the things that light you up again. You make a bigger impact because you become an influential leader. You get in the right spaces and congregate with other women of like minds. You create a sisterhood. That's what community is about. And you're working with the right coach, doing the right things in the right order at the wrong time. You're no longer having to try the DIY approach, right? You're no longer needing to work in silos. You're not suffering in silence. You're not betraying yourself in any way because you made the decision to work with the right coach and invest in yourself in this moment, even if you're at your rock bottom and rebuilding and rebranding your life. Okay. So that's where it starts. Let's stop bandaging up the pain of your past and start building the legacy that you've been dreaming of and that you rightfully deserve and are entitled to. Okay. No FOMO. I tell you, there are limited spaces for both my VIP days. I only offer 3 to 5 of those on a quarterly basis at max. Okay. And I also am offering only 8 to 10 max spaces for my Legacy Leaders Lab, which is my group coaching program, my 30-day intensive. So like I said, I can talk to you more about what both programs entail, okay? But I don't want to make this video too long. So the starting place for you right now is to simply book a Freedom and Focus Clarity call. And if you decide to enroll in my group coaching program, I can tell you as of this recording, it may change in the future. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but as of now, okay, you will be able to have a credit towards the group coaching program. But I also have a special going right now for my VIP days. Again, 100% virtual for both. So no excuses for you to level up and reach new heights, okay? I hope this has been very valuable for you, and I'm sure it has. So thank you for tuning in. This is my time. I'm going to tune out while you tune in. Be sure to share this video out with at least 3 friends and watch the next video that YouTube recommends, okay? As always, and until next time, I am wholeheartedly in this journey with you. I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now.